Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to break block. So for example, I will create rectangle and you can convert this rectangle into block by tapping block, press enter. I will set the name into example. For pick points, I will click in this corner and select object. You can select the rectangle object. Click OK and the rectangle will be set into block. Now, if you want to break this block, you can double click and it will be go into edit block definition. Click OK. Now, in this block editor, you can break by using break command. Type break, press enter, and I will select from this point to here. It will be break the selected line, but you can break again in another area. Like I will click from this point to here. If you're done, you can click close block editor and then click yes to save the change. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial how to break block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.